Altitudes and medians of triangle. In this topic, there is only one exercise, only one practice set. So write down question. This is the fill in the blanks type of question. In triangle LMN dash is an altitude and dash is a median. In bracket write down write the names of appropriate segments. In triangle LMN, Y is a midpoint on segment MN. Y is midpoint. There is a symbol of 90 degree, so LX is perpendicular on side MN. LX segment LX is perpendicular on side MN. Now altitude means a perpendicular drawn from a vertex on its opposite side. So LX segment LX is an altitude. So write down here answer. Seg LX is an altitude, and as Y is midpoint, therefore segment drawn from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side, that segment is called median. Hence segment LY is our median. Seg LY. You can write question number 2. Question number 2. Draw an acute angle triangle triangle PQR. Mute your call please. Draw all of its altitudes. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence. Name the point of concurrence as O. Draw one rough figure. This is acute angle triangle PQR. We have to draw all of its altitudes. Your first altitude will come. I will give here name A. Second altitude B, and here third altitude C. Name the point of concurrence as O, and this is point of concurrence where all these three altitudes intersect each other or passing through a point. That point is point of concurrence, and we have to denote by point O, letter O. Take a scale and pencil. Keep a sufficient distance from your question to the base side, that is QR, and in this triangle there is no need to take any specific measurement. Only you have to take care that your triangle should be acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all angles of triangle should measure less than 90 degree. All angles should be acute angle. Give your name P, Q, R. We require set square to draw altitudes. It is your choice what set square you have to use.
Some measurement.
Alfia, you didn't listen what I said. I said there is no need to take any specific measurement. By your own you can take this measurement of this triangle. Only the thing is all angles should come less than 90 degree. That is, acute angles should be there in this triangle. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So draw like this simple triangle which is acute angle triangle. Take set square. You have to settle this base of set square on side QR, and you have to move forward and backward in a such a way that vertical side of this set square should touch to the point P. Sometimes what happens when you try to touch this side, vertical side to point P, then this base may move in this way, and when you try to adjust your base, then your vertical side goes away from point P, or in this way, like this you do. Okay, so at a time you have to settle base of set square on side QR. Simultaneously you have to match vertical side of set square on point P. You can take your own time. Slowly you have to adjust it. Draw a vertical segment that will be your perpendicular. Give here name A. Now from this vertex Q, we have to draw another altitude on its opposite side PR. I will use this set square. In this way you can match this side on side PR and slowly move it down till this vertical side touch to point Q or vertex Q. In this way I will draw second altitude. And now third one, we have to draw third altitude from vertex R on its opposite side PQ. Keep this set square in this way and move it up and up slowly. While drawing this third altitude, you have to take care this side also, and you have to see whether it's passing through a single point or not. It should pass through a single point, as altitudes are concurrent, and this point of concurrence, it is asked to name as a letter O. So I will give your name. Point of concurrence is O. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STV. Draw an obtuse angled triangle STV. Draw its medians and show the centroid. Always you have to draw one rough figure, so you get clear idea how your construction will be. What I will do, I will draw like this, small side, here S, here T. I will take here maybe 100 degree, as 100 degree is obtuse angle, and I will give here name V. I will join this. I will take this side total 6 centimeter. So at 3 centimeter I will get midpoint. This 6 centimeter. This I will take 8 centimeter. Here I will get midpoint B. And third one, just we have to join point S and V.
Sir, can you repeat the measure?
Measure of side ST is 6 centimeter. Angle T measures 100 degree, and measure of side TV 8 centimeters. I said leave sufficient space in between your question and base. I said leave 8 to 10 lines from this margin line. Leave 2 finger space and take one point. Okay, so first take point S, and ST will be 6 centimeter. So at 6 centimeter take another point. Join these 2 points, point S and point T. It will be 6 centimeter distance, and at 3 centimeter you have to take another point, this point A. As medians are asked, we must have all the midpoints on each side. Take your protractor. On right hand side there is 100. Don't measure on left hand side. If you measure on left hand side there is 100, but there is also 80. That will be acute angle 80 degree. So don't take point on left side, take it on right side. 100 degree. I said TV, we have to take 8 centimeter. Take another point at 8 centimeter, and now also measure 4 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter will come, and I will give here name B. Screen is there, audio is also there. Join these points, point S and V. What is important thing? Question is draw an obtuse angle triangle STV, draw its medians and show the centroid. There is no any measurement given. We are taking by ourselves for our convenience. I have taken here 6 centimeter, I have taken here 8 centimeter, but if you are not convenient with this measurement, you can take 8 centimeter here, you can take this 6 centimeter, or this also 8 centimeter, this also 8 centimeter, this also 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, as you wish. There is no any restriction on taking any measurement if measurement is not specified in the question. Understand? Otherwise you will think that here only 6 centimeter you have to take, and here only 8 centimeter you have to take. Not like that, according to your convenience. Also here angle I have taken 100 degree because it was told obtuse angle triangle. Therefore triangle must be obtuse angle triangle, so you may take 110, 120 according to your convenience, which should be greater than 90 degree. Understood this concept, what I am saying? It is totally up to you, what measurement you have to take. Here I have taken specific measurement because everybody's diagram figure will come same. Therefore I am giving here specific measurements. Understand? On this side also we have another midpoint. Join this vertex V and midpoint A. Again point S, vertex S and midpoint B. In last lecture we have learned, if we don't know midpoint of any side, we can find out with the help of perpendicular bisector. But we know that all medians are concurrent. Therefore I will take this point of concurrence and T into consideration, and I will draw third median, and I will give your name C. They have also asked show the centroid. Now tell me, type it in the chat box. Centroid is shown by which letter? Correct. Shruti, Pushkar, Aksa, others are typing correct. Orthocenter is denoted by O, but here centroid is denoted by letter G. Those who are typing G, their answer is correct. Don't get confused between orthocenter and centroid. If medians are there, then there will be centroid. If altitudes are there, then there will be orthocenter. Okay, stop typing. We will do now next question. Question number 4. I am giving you for homework. It is similar to question number 2. We have to draw all altitudes, but here there is obtuse angle triangle. Therefore, your altitude will come exterior of the triangle. Now write down question number 5. Draw a right angled triangle XYZ. Draw right angled triangle X, Y,
Sir,
Z.
fourth one.
Draw its medians. And show their point of concurrence. By G. Draw one rough figure. X, Y, Z. Angle Y will be 90 degree. I will take this distance 9 centimeter, this distance also 9 centimeter. So medians we have to draw. Midpoint will come at 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. L, M, we'll draw this way, here, this way. Take a scale. Here I will take point Y. At the distance of 9 centimeter, take another point Z and draw a segment. Segment YZ will be 9 centimeter, and at 4.5 centimeter I will take another point which will be median, not median, midpoint. Before that, taking measurement, you have to take protractor, keep it on point Y, take a point at 90 degree, and then you will take this point and point Y into consideration. Measure 9 centimeter and draw 9 centimeter segment XY. Join these 2 points, point X and point Z, or vertex X and vertex Z. Give here symbol of 90 degree. Similarly, here 4.5 centimeter distance. Your name we have given M. Now we have to draw medians. From vertex X, we have to draw median on side YZ on point L. Join these vertex X and point L. This will be your first median. Now vertex Z and point M. This vertex Y and take this point into consideration and draw third median. Name will be point N. If you are having any doubt about this midpoint N, you can use method of perpendicular bisector, which we have to draw with the help of this compass. On this side one arc, another side arc. Similarly from here you have to intersect, from here you have to intersect, and you have to take perpendicular bisector to get here midpoint N. They have asked to show their point of concurrence by G, that will be centroid of these medians. Question number 6. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians. And altitudes. Write your observation about their observation about their point of concurrence. We'll take D, E, this will be 4 centimeter, and at 6 centimeter we'll take point F. From F, D will be 6 centimeter, F, E will be 6 centimeter. So at 3 centimeter we can take median, and here at 2 centimeter we can take midpoint. We can draw these medians, and we will see about altitudes. Draw a triangle, draw a segment DE 4 centimeter, and at 2 centimeter I will take midpoint X. Draw like this segment, which is 6 centimeter, and take a span so I have a span of 6 centimeter. I will keep it on point E. I will draw one arc. Now I will keep it on point D. I will intersect this arc. I will get point of intersection F. Join point FE and FD. As we know that segment FE is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, this distance is 6 centimeter. At 3 centimeter will take midpoint. Here also at 3 centimeter will take midpoint. This is midpoint Y, this is midpoint Z. First we are drawing medians as we have 3 midpoints. See it carefully. I am joining vertex F and midpoint. Join these 2 points and these 2 points. We have drawn medians. Now we have to draw altitudes. If you see this median Fx is already 90 degree. It means this median is 90 degree, then median and altitude are the same. So segment Fx is median as well as altitude. Now take a set square and keep it on this side DF. Here I will give here name L, and now in this way here and here M. So point G and point O are lies on the segment which is median as well as altitude. It happens only in isosceles triangle. This is question number 7. Triangle ABC is given and medians are drawn. You have to see if smaller segments measurement is given, suppose RG's measurement is given, and if it is asked GC, see here RG is given 2.5, RG is given 2.5 which is smaller, and they have asked length of GC is dash. GC you have to multiply with 2, 5 centimeter. So length of GC is 5 centimeter. First one is over. Now second one, if length of BG is 6 centimeter, then BQ is dash. BG is 6 centimeter. Now bigger part of this median is given. BQ means total segment is asked. If this is 6 centimeter, this will be 3 centimeter. Now tell me, 6 plus 3 is total 9 centimeter, correct. So BQ measures 9 centimeter. Now length of AP is 6 centimeter, then AG and GP is asked. AP total distance is given 6 centimeter. Now divide this 6 centimeter into 3 equal parts. So 2, 2, 2. So this smaller GP will be 2 centimeter, and 2 times of 2 is 4 centimeter. That is AG will be 4 centimeter. All 3 answers I told you. In this way we have completed practice set 4.1. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much. God bless you all.